Welcome back to Prince YahweTV. Tutorial episode isa installing and activating Microsoft 0365. For educational purposes only, always use legitimate licenses for business and professional work. To be updated on MY upcoming episode, please support MY channel by subscribing it and turn on bell button. Enjoy watching, watch and learn it. Step isa, download and install Microsoft 365 at 65. Isa, download Microsoft 365 at 65. Go to the official Microsoft website, https Microsoft.com and us Microsoft Negativo 365 at 65. Get started with Office. Click Download and save the installer file. Dalawa, run the installer. Locate the downloaded file, usually in Downloads folder. Double-click to run the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation.
Find their way through the cracks of a heart once torn. Feels like sunrise, feels reborn. Souls on fire, light the way. Laughter rising through the gray. No cloud heavy gonna hold me down. Any smiles on this weary town. Falling pieces build a brand new throne. We won't walk this road alone. Punch the silence, break the storm. Find the light where it seems forlorn. Souls on fire, light the way. Laughter rising through the gray. No cloud heavy gonna hold me down. Painting smiles on this weary town. Learning a spark in the endless gray. Eyes wide open, the world sway. Twisting words into a joyous play. We laugh, we grow every single day. Teaching the wild where stories thrive. Building mirrors where dreams arrive. Sharing truths that make hearts strive. Prince YahweTV keeps it all alive. Fun is the answer, the questions, the a guiding hand. From the head to the heart we understand. Prince YahweTV, the promised land. Fun is the answer, the questions, the way. Learning's the journey, not just today. Teaching flips the script, turns it around. Prince YahweTV, where joy is found. Books and screens, the tools we hold, turning the dull into gold untold. Every moment a story bold. Prince YahweTV, breaking the mold. Laughter echoes, lessons learned. Every word a guiding hand. From the head to the heart we understand. Prince YahweTV, the promised land. Fun is the answer, the questions, the way. Learning's the journey, not just today. Teaching flips the script, turns it around. Prince YahweTV, where joy is found. Skies on fire, blaze it all night. Hearts pumping, heart sparks ignite. Feet on the edge, screaming my name. No way back, won't play that tame. Feel the thunder pounding in my veins. Shatter the rules, breaking all chains. Eyes wide open, world spins round. Dreams too loud, can't keep them down. Burn bright against the gray. Chase the
As you can see, the newly installed Office is not year activated. To activate it, just please watch and learn. Again, if you are new to my channel, please do support me by subscribing my YouTube channel.
racing shadows, tearing the air. No one's safe, no time to care. Laughter echoes, breaking the spell. This is heaven on the edge of hell. Winds howl a riot, feel it take flight. Life's too short to tone down the fight. Stars above, they scream and sway. Shadows flicker on tire walls, no light. So lanterns dancing in the night. Empty streets, but the wind hums a song. Carry me right, just where I belong.
Step 1. Open CMD and run as administrator. Step 2. Open a notepad file and copy the first 2 lines and paste it to the CMD and click enter. Follow the process on the video and enjoy the fully activated 0365 account.
Still climbing mountains, bending the wheel. Souls on fire, light the way. Laughter rising through the gray. No cloud heavy gonna hold me down. Any smiles on this weary town. Echoes tremble through this hollow day. Distant murmurs that find their way through the cracks of a heart